we are back with another video. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and the children's grandparents assigned them to make baked products or desserts. And so all of the kids are making desserts for Thanksgiving tomorrow. But before we get into the video, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. My husband's here. Say hi.
Hi. I'm eating.
What are you eating?
Seafood.
Y'all, he is eating a bowl. A bowl full of stuff.
I'm hot.
Y'all say hi to Legacy. They're sleeping. Don't look at my nails. They are horrible. She's sleeping so good. It's almost time for her to eat. But let's see what the kids are making. See what she's making. But she spent $50 on products. So this about to be really good. Tell the people what's going on with your stuff.
Okay, so I'm making beignets, and then I have stuff to make cinnamon rolls. But I wanted to.
Taylor, you making 2 desserts?
Yes, I'm determined.
Okay, so what do we have here?
This is the beignet portion.
Okay, what do you have in there?
I have yeast, sugar, and water so
Well,
far.
let's see.
Oh, yes. Water, and then I use some granulated sugar, and that's it. And now I'm supposed to whisk it and then let it sit for like 10 minutes.
So why are you not using a whisk?
Cause I don't know where it is. You can whisk with a fork. It all work the same.
Okay, so Taylor is making beignet and cinnamon rolls. Let's see what the other kids are making.
We're making it on the counter. But we're gonna
What is
clean
that?
it. That's soap.
Oh,
I'm making cookies, but they're like shapes. I'm making chocolate chip cookies.
you're making what?
Chocolate chip cookies.
So he's making chocolate chip cookies. He has his cookie dough here and his cookie cutters here. And then we have Nyrel, who is making...
I am making a confetti, well actually not a cake, but confetti cupcake.
She's making confetti.
Cupcake.
So, we're going to see how all of these...
Mine is gonna turn out good.
Who's this going to turn out the best?
Mine.
No, mine.
You already know who's left out for this. Taylor, just because you're making 2 things does not mean it's gonna come out the best. It's gonna taste good. Yeah.
Of course, mine is gonna taste good.
Someone's gonna taste good. How did yours is already
And Harmony isn't making anything. She's helping
Okay.
Darrell.
How did dinner be tasting?
How far?
Great actually, because you be eating it. You be eating it though. Oh. Okay. You see, I ain't eat dinner yesterday. And now with my choice. You went to the banquet. Don't do that. That food wasn't good. I guess you'll learn from the best, huh?
So we'll be back to see how these desserts come out. So some of the desserts are done. We have Baby Rail and Harmony with the cookies, chocolate chip cookies. Yes, my hands are clean, guys. The cookies turned out pretty well. We have Nyrel on the cupcakes, and they are good. I tried them. Nyrel on the cupcakes. There go her other bunch over there. And I don't know where Taylor desserts are, so that's what we have so far. I'll let you guys see the rest of the desserts when they're done. But for now, we're gonna wait for them to get done and everybody to eat them tomorrow. So tomorrow the people will be able to judge how they did on their desserts. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see how everything turns out. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all. We got our first taste tester. We're gonna see how the beignet and the cinnamon roll that Taylor made. Now this is Taylor stuff. This is not Nyrell or Darrell. This is Taylor stuff. So let's go. Mike.
It wasn't prepped in the oven, so if it don't taste right, that's on you. Hello?
Let me tell you something.
No.
Why?
Because I'm prepping it in the oven. She wanted to make her stuff in the microwave. So, yeah.
Y'all, she trying to tell people how to eat her food.
I already said that.
It should be good either way.
No. Well,
Either
cinnamon rolls.
way you
Okay,
make
cinnamon
it.
rolls. The beignets are fried.
Okay.
So it's not.
What you
gonna-
rate it? Out of 10?
All right, this one 9.
Okay.
9 out of 10,
What is it? It's cinnamon roll.
Mine, you can get up. You the camera not even that way. Now I'm about to put it that way. Go ahead.
I'm scared. Okay, first time beignet. If you say it's a 5, I'm okay with that.
Who made that?
How you rating it for her?
It's a cinnamon glaze with confection.
She said what?
But the sugar and
Sell
whey
it.
melted low-key.
She said what?
Eddie got his girlfriend.
Oh, we heard about that.
What is hitting on?
Are they here? I like this.
Out of 10.
Yeah, out.
She like
She got
everything.
her
Y'all
details.
can't do her.
Well,
No.
everybody gonna try it, so.
It's really good. It's perfectly balanced with the sweetness.
Oh
and
my
stuff.
God!
I didn't even know what I was.
She keep me.
Cookie. How was the cookie?
Cookie hitting on. You rating?
Yeah, out of 10.
I don't really. I'm gonna do this nephew. I don't really like. It ain't because I don't think it's good. I just don't eat chocolate chips. But.
Tell them to come with it, son.
It's a good chocolate chip. Good.
Put a cinnamon roll on here, Tay. Put the small.
Just vanilla or
Let me
you
give
got
you
red velvet?
8.5.
Come on, 8.5 out of 10.
Only because I don't eat chocolate chips. I know
All right,
you-
Trina's eating a cookie. How's the cookie? Chocolate chip cookie.
Dorel, you could do a little bit better. It's kind of hard. I'm just playing. This is 10 out of 10. This cookie is good.
10 out of 10. He got the first 10.
Cookie good. I love chocolate chip.
I'm going. I got some of everything.
Michaela, you eating a cookie too?
Yeah.
How is it?
I didn't try it yet.
Oh, she
I'm
trying.
going.
It's like vanilla.
She in the corner trying it.
But that's kind of melted. Try it in the microwave longer.
I got the
I like it. It's
Cinnamon.
not 10.
cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll from Taylor.
I put it in the microwave, but it's a little hard, Tay.
Y'all want them to
I know. I'm saying I just put it in the microwave.
Go ahead, give it an 8. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, I'll give it an 8. But if we make it a 10, get some ice cream with it.
Okay. That's a personal. No, that's a personal thing.
8 out of 10 for Isaac and
I'm gonna give it a
Netta.
7 out of 10. I can't even
7
take
out
the
of 10.
cinnamon on it either.
So she changed hers. 7 out of 10.
Let me take the cinnamon.
Then the cookie. I give you an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10
It
on
ain't
the cookie.
nasty.
That cookie good,
Same
girl.
thing with the honey bun.
It's a
I mean,
Made together.
give it an
Uncle Isaac said 8 on the
8
beignet.
and a half.
8.5.
I think I'm the first one to try your
Okay,
cupcake
okay.
night, real, right?
Yeah, I'm trying
Trina
to
had
do
it.
it.
Oh,
That's
shit.
not warm.
We got cupcakes here.
Girl, I got one minute. Hold
Everything
on.
gotta be warmed up.
That's not what Trina.
Y'all getting the -1 for I want to hide. I know who's not going.
Y'all did great.
Y'all kids cook too, didn't they? Oh, what they desserts?
Didn't get down this shit.
All right, now, bro. This cupcake good.
All right. What you give it?
The cupcake 10 out of 10.
10 out. Oh, nice. We got her smiling.
She said it was dry, but this cupcake is moist.
10?
10 out of 10.
Come on here.
Okay, good as hell.
Why you
Oh, she done grabbed another one. Oh, no, that's ice. I was looking at the hands.
What's the top that?
100 out of 10.
100. Okay.
See, that's best friend.
Oh, Lord.
Because my best friend.
All right, I just want me.
That's not
Hold on.
What's not fair? Don't be a sore loser.
Not the turtle best friend. Have Tyler eat yours and have him say 10 like That's not a fair fight.
All right, Uncle Isaac.
You warmed up the icing too?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. That's nasty.
God damn.
10 out of 10, Nyrel. All right.
When I ate it dry,
So it looked like Nyrel won that one.
this wasn't warmed up. Changing it next year. I mean,
Changing
it up next year.
Clap it up for the Jones children. Good job.
Hey, girl, second the toe. Why are you second
We all ate, so we added some extra pounds on her.
How's your food?
No, you did.
10 out of 10?
The shade is crazy.
Huh?
Real crazy.
10 out of 10?
This
All right, Nana is the judge now. She's scared. She's taking that little bitty bite. She's safe.
trying to say, man.
They put the video.
Nana, you got the ice
She
in there.
just moved them.
It's pretty good. Pretty good.
What out of 10?
Real thick. I'll say probably a 7.
7 out of 10. Okay.
Only because it's just a little bit thick, but it tastes good. That's it. You made your cookie? Ah, boy, they good. I ain't like talking chip. They good, boy, they good.
Which one?
Really good. Okay.
We all said the cookies were really good.
What a fork.
I don't like how you so. I need a fork.
I had this before, so I know it should be a 10. That
I'm trying to
cookie,
see.
The cinnamon roll. Oh, she did make cinnamon rolls last time.
10 rolls is 10.
10 out of 10.
All right, Tay.
Come on
Rack 'em
here.
good.
I like a cinnamon roll. Anyway, she made it too. It looks just like a cinnamon
They
roll.
got baked chicken too.
She used dental floss to cut them.
I mean, not baked chicken.
Can we taste the dental floss?
It's pretty good. It's cupcake. I melted my icing.
Ooh, my, you melted that a lot.
It's really
I
hot.
didn't think nothing last year either.
Oh, Nyrel. Nyrel, this is a 9.
All right.
This is good. Y'all did pretty good. Now I let y'all know in the morning when my belly's gonna start. You go from a 9 to a 0 like that. That's pretty good. Okay.
All right, Nana got them some good.
Y'all did a good job.
All right. Okay, Pawpaw eating it.
Chocolate chip is good. Who cooked them?
That chocolate.
Oh my God, you and Real looking down. Y'all looking just alike. Oh my.
What this supposed to be right here?
That's a beignet.
Okay.
Papa done put the basket. She can't get past you.
That's good.
What do you eat? What's he eating?
The beignet.
That's good. Cinnamon. You know what you need on there?
Huh?
Some apples.
Oh, apples on the beignet, yeah.
And some ice cream. That'll be off the hook.
Uncle Isaac said the same thing.
That's the cinnamon roll.
Okay. I like that better.
Okay.
That cookie was good though.
I drove yesterday
They eating this stuff with a knife.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
Cupcake. And that real milk.
That's good.
Stop throwing.
Okay? He liked the cupcake.
You don't have no.
He liked the cupcake. He liked the beignet and the cookies.
That's good.
What's your favorite one?
The cookie.
The cookie is his favorite. Baby Rail, Papa like your cookie the best.
And that's good.
Papa like your cookie the best. No, he didn't give it 100. He just said it was the best.
So who else like cookies? Who else like the cookies?
Oh, I did. You tried to
Well, guys, our Thanksgiving is coming to an end. It was such an amazing Thanksgiving. We spent some much needed family time with our family. Me and baby got a chance to get out the house. We got a chance to get out the house and enjoy some time out the house. This is really the first time that we've been out of the house since I had her, so we had such an amazing time. My kids enjoyed themselves and they ended up staying over their grandparents' house, so I got a win. But tomorrow is gonna be a pretty chill day. My husband is off of work. We don't have anything to do. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord God. So we don't have anything to do. I do have makeup to do at 9 a.m. But other than that, we don't have anything to do. So happy Thanksgiving. Well, you guys will be getting this video a day after Thanksgiving. But I am so super grateful for all things. God has been so good to me and my family. He's opened so many doors, made so many ways. And for that, y'all, I'm just grateful. That's all I can really say is that I'm grateful. My life is not perfect, but it's perfectly imperfect. I'm grateful for all things, being able to raise my children, being able to live life, love my husband, and just do life. I'm grateful for all things. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all had an amazing Thanksgiving. Peace. See you on the next one.